Today we're making a parrot out of paper. For this craft, you'll need some kind of colored paper or construction paper. You'll need a pencil, some scissors, a glue stick, and of course some crayons or markers. To start, pick one sheet of colored or construction paper and trace your footprint. You may want to ask an adult for help with this part. When you've finished tracing your footprint, take your remaining colored papers and trace your handprint. You can make as many handprints as you like. Once everything is traced out, get help from an adult to cut out the pieces. When everything's cut out, arrange your handprints on your footprint. Be sure the heel is pointing up. When you're happy with the placement, take your glue stick and glue them down. Using scrap paper, cut out extra parts like a beak and other feathers if you'd like. Use your glue stick to glue down the extra pieces. Using crayons or markers, add details. You can add any details you like. When you're satisfied, you're finished.